I'm kicking off a cozy little countdown of 5 forgotten Christmas snacks from around the world, the kind that make you feel like you've just stepped into your grand's kitchen. Number 5, sugar plums, Victorian England. No, not actual plums. Candied spiced nuts and seeds, rolled into jewel-like drops, sugar syrup bubbling, a whisper of cinnamon, a whisper of clove, a patient hand tumbling almonds until they shine like frosty marbles, bite-sized, proper old school, and they taste like Christmas smells. Number 4, kulkuls, Goa, India, part of the festive kuswar spread, little curls of sweet dough rolled on a fork, or rolled on a comb to get those ridges, fried till golden and glazed with sugar, crunchy outside, soft inside, a hint of nutmeg. They're fun to make with family, sticky fingers, big laughs, and a tray that somehow keeps emptying. Number 3, kuchiukai with poppy seed milk, Lithuania, tiny crunchy bread bites. Think mini vanilla biscuit breads, traditionally served on Christmas Eve with a bowl of sweet poppy seed milk. You soak ground poppy seeds in warm milk or water with honey until it turns cloudy and fragrant. Then in go the little nibbles. It's simple, humble, and properly comforting, like dipping memories into a mug. Number 2, laufabrauð, Iceland, leaf bread, thin as snowflakes and patterned by hand. You press, you prick, you weave designs, design stars, design branches, design tiny lattices. Then flash fry each round till it bubbles crisp. It snaps like a wafer, tastes of clean oil and a whisper of wheat. It's more than food. It's a family craft you can hear in the quiet. Snip, snip, hiss. Number 1, kagak talgasal, Malta. Honey rings that aren't really honey, traditionally filled with treacle, scented with clove, anise, orange zest, and a touch of spice. The pastry wraps it all into a wreath, scored on top so the filling peeks out as it bakes. You get flaky, sticky, bittersweet, and citrusy in one bite. It's the flavor of carols at dusk and hands warmed on teacups. Honorable mentions, Portuguese sonhos, Syrian meamul, date-filled cookies pressed in carved molds. Not quite forgotten, but they deserve a seat at the table. If these stirred a memory or sparked a new tradition, give one a go with basic pantry bits and some stock footage cues for inspiration while you prep. Sugar syrup for plums, a fork, a pan, a grinder for poppy seeds, a small blade, steady hands for laufabrauð, citrus, spice, treacle. This year I'm bringing back at least one of these, because the best Christmas snacks aren't perfect, they're personal. Tell me which one you'd resurrect, and if you've got a family special that's been hiding in an old tin, drop it in the comments. I'll put the kettle on. Cheers, and happy holidays.